Consumer goods manufacturers need more than just a good product and the demand for it. They need every advantage they can get to stay competitive at the retail level. At CRC, we believe that the manufacturer who merchandises better will always outperform their competition. We understand that manufacturers are constantly faced with decisions about what products to make, how much to produce. Since consumer trends are often unpredictable, it can be an expensive guessing game. Fortunately, at CRC, we have developed tools to help solve those problems. VelociTracker allows reps, managers, and stakeholders to capture and communicate valuable consumer feedback. It starts with CRC's program building. Our certified business consultants can work with you and help you set up the right types of questions so reps can get the information that you're looking for. Information like, what did the consumer want but couldn't find? What did they settle for? Store employees, reps, or anyone doing merchandising activities can interact with the consumer. At CRC, we have developed an aggressive program to train reps to interact with consumers in several important ways. For example, they can suggestive sell, upsell to the customer. Even more important, if the consumer is not satisfied in some way, the rep can send that information back to you as soon as possible. At CRC, we take store-level data and aggregate it in real time, sending email alerts to your managers about what is happening at shelf level. Using that information, you will be able to better predict consumer behavior. Instead of manufacturing too much, too little, or the wrong product, you'll be closer to putting the right product in the right place at the right time. CRC coaching and VelociTracker tools will also help you drive sales. Once you get beyond consumer information, CRC can help you get more facings and footage, more end caps, more ads, more shelf space, better planograms, and the list goes on. Manufacturers that prove their merchandising efforts are successful will sell more products to a retailer. Going beyond driving sales will help you reduce costs by increasing efficiency. We help you eliminate unnecessary store visits while maximizing necessary visits, and our messaging tools communicate all your crucial information. Great products cannot always sell themselves. The retailer is going to buy from the supplier who merchandises better. At CRC, we have the tools to help you do this.